Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, welcome back to our accountancy class. Okay, yesterday we have seen the purchases book and the theory, how the format, how to prepare the purchases book, and the source document, invoice, and the term trade discount and cash discount I have explained to you, isn't it? Now we will see the first illustration. I will explain and I will do the first exercise. Okay, I will read now. Okay, that page number is different in your book. So take 6th chapter, first illustration. Record the following transactions in the purchases book of Shanti Furniture Mart. 2017 March 1. Now purchased from Mohan Furniture Mart, Madurai. 20 chairs at the rate of 450 each. 2 tables at the rate of 1000 each. Less trade discount at 10%. March 7. Bought from Ramesh & Co. Rayapete. 2 stools at the rate of rupees 500 each. 10 rolling chairs at the rate of rupees 200 each. Delivery charges and cartage rupees 150. March 21. Purchased from Kamal & Co. Karaikal. 10 chairs at the rate of 750 each. 15 steel cabinets at 1500 rupees each. Packing and delivery charges rupees 250 less trade discount at 10%. March 25 purchased from Gemini and Sons, Chennai, 2 typewriters at the rate of rupees 7750 for office use. Here you should remember the rules. What is the meaning of purchases book? Purchases book means we have to enter all the credit purchases of goods. Only will be recorded, but what is not recorded, you should remember, we should not record the credit and cash purchase of assets, fixed assets. Okay, credit and cash purchases of assets should not be entered. Okay, that you should remember. Now you see the columns: date, particulars, invoice number, LF, then amount to 2 column. One details, another one total. Okay, so the first one, so you keep open your book. Okay, first one, date, then that supplier's name, Mohan Furniture Mart, Madurai. Now the description of the goods: 20 chairs at the rate of 450 each. How much? 9,000. 2 tables at the rate of 1000 each, 2000. Add and write in the inner column only. Now next line, less trade discount 10%. Here we have to write less trade discount 10%, 1100. Write the amount to outer column. Then March 7, bought from Ramesh & Co. Rayapete. So 2 stools at the rate of 500, so 1000. 10 rolling chairs of rupees 200 each, 2000. So totally 3000. Delivery charges and cartage, that we need to pay. So we need to add that charges. Add delivery charges and cartage. If discount, we will reduce cartage. This delivery charges we need to pay. So add and write. Next, purchased from Kamal & Co. Karaikal. So Kamal & Co. Karaikal. 10 chairs, rupees 750 each, so 7500. 15 steel cabinets at the rate of rupees 1500 each, 30,000. Less trade discount, 3000. Then add packing charges, because packing charges we need to add last after deducting this trade discount. Okay, we need to add. See the next item, purchased from Gemini and Sons, Chennai, 2 typewriters. Typewriter is not goods for sale, it is furniture mart. So all the furniture only he is purchasing and selling. So we may not include the typewriters. Even if it is purchased for cash or credit, we may not add. One more thing, any cash purchase, purchases also should not be entered. Okay, students, cash purchases and credit and cash purchases of asset should not be entered. Okay, students, first one cash purchase of goods, another one cash and credit purchase of assets. These two should not be entered in the purchaser's book. In the purchaser's book, we should enter only the credit purchase of goods. That's all. Okay. Now we will do the first exercise. Okay. First exercise I will read for you. From the following transactions in the purchaser's book of Mrs. Subhashri Electric Company, which deals in electric goods. Okay, electric goods is purchasing. Purchased from Karthik Electric Company on credit. So we have to write electric goods only he is purchasing. So this we can enter. Then 19, purchased on credit from Kaitan Electric Heaters. Okay, this also we can enter, isn't it? Then purchased from Polar Electric Company on credit fan. So that is also electric goods only we can enter. Last one, purchased from M & Co for cash. Cash we may not enter. Okay, this one we should not enter. Now shall we do this one? Enter the following transactions in the purchaser's book. We will write. Purchaser's book. First exercise number 1. Okay. In the books of Mrs. Subhashri Electric Company. Electric Company, the middle purchases book. Only one page is needed. Okay, students, only one page is enough. Column to amount column, isn't it? Detail total. Okay. Now LF, invoice number, then particulars, then date. Okay. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF, detail, total. First one, we should write the date, 2017 April 5. From Karthik Electric Company. So Karthik Electric Company. You write fully, okay? Now details we have to write. 10 electric iron box. 10 iron box at the rate of rupees 2,500. So 2,500 into 10, 25,000. Then 5 electric stove at the rate of rupees 2,000 each. So 10,000. That's all, isn't it? So 35,000. Then 19. Kaitan Electric Company. Okay, there 3 electric heaters at the rate of 6,000. So 18,000, no other product, so 18,000 we will write in the outer column. Then 25. Polar Electric Company. Polar Electric Company. 10 fans at the rate of 2000. So 20,000. No other items, only one item. So the next item on April 29, that transaction will not appear because it is a cash transaction. Okay, now we will total 1000. 5 plus 8 13, balance 1 3 4 7, 73,000. Here we should write purchases account debtor. Purchases account debtor. When we post, we have to do this one. Okay. Now we will see the posting. Okay. Posting of purchases book. Okay. From the purchases book, how to post them in the ledger accounts. Okay, what we have entered in the purchases book, we need to post them in the, these are the suppliers, isn't it? From Karthik Electric Company we have purchased, so they are the suppliers. In the suppliers account we need to post them. Karthik Electric Company account we have to post. Okay, then in purchases book will be balanced or totaled only at the end of the month. Okay, end of the month only we will do the addition. You see, at the end of the April month we are adding, and this will be posted in the purchases account. By purchases account we will debit, isn't it, to sundry creditors account. How we will write? To sundry creditors account. And in the creditors account, respective creditors account, we will post in the, because they are we will credit this one, but in the journal entry what we will do? Purchases account debtor to Karthik Electric Company account. That is the entry, isn't it? So in the Karthik Electric Company account we will credit. How we will write? By purchases account. Okay, and the purchases account, how we will write? To sundry creditors, because many creditors are there, so to sundry creditors the total we will write. Okay, so we will do the posting. Okay, for that one they have given another illustration that we will see. Okay, I will read out the problem. Illustration 2. From the following transactions of RAM Home Appliances for July 2017, prepare purchases book and ledger accounts connected with this book. Purchased on credit from Kannan and Co. Home appliances. Okay, iron box, grinders. All these are the goods. Whether here it is not okay, given it is purchased on credit, isn't it? So credit purchases will come. Then purchased for cash, this will not appear. Okay, that no need to see that one. Purchased from Balan on credit, grinder, mixie, then that is home appliances only, isn't it? Then trade discount, then delivery charges. Then purchased on credit, one copier machine from Kumar. So here machine, it is not the that is not home appliances. Okay, purchased for this one, maybe for the office use, photocopy machine. Okay, that will not appear. So only two items will appear in this purchases book. See, purchases book, Kannan and Co. Details column we have written, add and return. Then Balan, second one will not come. July 10, 20 grinder, 10 mixie, then trade discount, then we need to add the delivery charges. Only 2 items, purchases account data we need to add. See, here for the ledger accounts we should use 2 pages. Okay, purchases account. Total how much? 1,28,000. That we need to write last date of that month and year to sundry creditors account. Then first that suppliers account, Kannan and Co account by purchases account. Then Balan and Co account by that particular date. Okay, by purchases account. Daily we will post them in the ledger account, but purchases book total will be posted only at the end of the month. Okay, now shall we do the next problem? Okay, next exercise we will see. Posting we need to do, isn't it? Or I think there is no second exercise is sales book. So I think we will do the same exercise we will post. Okay, we will use 2 pages. Okay, students, we will use both the pages. So first, purchases account. Purchases account. Amount column for all the account I am drawing line. Okay, amount column, date column. Okay, 2 amount column will be there, isn't it? Then ledger folio, journal folio, then date. The debit side also, 2 amount column, then LF, date. Debtor, creditor, we should write. Then DP, particulars, then LF, amount. Okay, date, particulars, LF, okay, amount, rupees. Purchases account, where we should post debit side, isn't it? Debit side, 2, date we need to write, isn't it? Date, last date, April 30. So 2017, April 30 to sundry creditors account. Okay, sundry creditors account, how much? 73,000. That's all. Then that sundry creditors account we need to prepare. First one, Karthik Electric Company account. Here, how we need to write credit side, isn't it? 2017, April, what is the date? 5. By purchases account. What is that amount? 35,000. Okay, the next supplier's name, 10.10 Electric Company account. Same way, 2017 April 19 by purchases account. $18,000. Okay. Next account, Polar Electric Company. (2017) April 25 by purchases account. Total 20,000. So we have completed the posting also, isn't it? So today I think we can complete with this one. Okay, preparing purchases account and posting them in the ledger accounts. Okay, students. So tomorrow we will see the sales book and how to post them in the, or today I think we can learn the purchase returns account also. Purchase returns book. Okay, what is purchase returns book? All will be in the same pattern only. Purchase returns book. We know we are purchasing some goods, isn't it? We may return some of the books to the suppliers due to some reasons. Okay. Either it may be defective goods. Okay. Or it may be not as per our samples. Or what is our that not as per the order what we place. Okay. Or it may be of low quality. Okay, the quality may be low, or it may be reached, that means after a long delay we might have received the goods. So long delay will be a reason. Okay, not the quantity may be less. Okay, or for any other reason we may return these goods. Okay, so when we return the goods that we have purchased, we need to prepare one, like invoice. When we sell goods, we prepare invoice. In the same way, when we return the goods, we need to prepare debit note. Okay, debit note is prepared by the purchaser, one who purchased the goods. Okay, the purchaser only prepare the debit note and he will send it to the seller. Okay, that purchase returns describe that all the details, quantity, price, discount if you have received, all the details will be entered, and along with the goods we will return the goods. Why it is called debit note? Because when we send the goods, we will debit that much amount from the creditors account. Sundry creditors account, we will debit that much amount. Okay, that is why it is called debit note. Okay, students, tomorrow I will explain this problem. Okay, the purchase returns. Thank you very much, students.